Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the widget is not showing or it's not available in your Windows. First thing, go to CMD, open it and just copy this command and click enter. I will leave it in the comment. Click Y and hit enter. So all you have to do right now is just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to the browser and click this link. I will leave it in the description. And all you have to do is just install it, open Microsoft Store, restart your PC again. And here we are again after the second restart. And all you have to do right now, go to the taskbar and right click, taskbar setting. And from here, enable your widget and you are done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe because it will help me a lot and it helps a ton. Thank you guys.